Hello everyone, today, I'm going to show you how to get more than 25 emails in Power Automate. You know how to get emails action usually limits you to just 25 emails. Well, I'm going to show you how to get around that. Let's get started. Click on a new flow, then click on Instant Cloud Flow. Select Manually Trigger a Flow and click the Create button. Give a name to the workflow. Select Send an HTTP request. Copy the link in the description, paste it into the URI field, replace your email address with your own email address, and select Get as the method. Select Initialize Variable and give a name. Select Array. Select Apply to each. Copy the code from the description and set it up as shown on the screen. Select Append to Array variable, then paste the code from the description as shown on the screen. Select Create HTML Table and run the flow. Thank you for watching. For documentation and more detailed information, follow the website in the description.